back to our channel. That was enthusiastic. We are
There are no Debbie Downers here.
not a one. So we are showing you, I'm fanning myself as I'm doing this. Sorry, it's hot. It's really hot. So we are, how appropriate for a summer video, right?
Oh.
So we're doing a tutorial on little tips to take with you this summer. How to get rid of sweat. Is gonna be like, okay. I'm gonna
I need to recover, hold on. I feel like we can get that dewy look with no product right now.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm ready.
So I have been asked, how do you use a liquid illuminator? So if you notice, my face is not glowy and it's very flat and matte. It's because I didn't do this yet. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and you guys are going to watch me.
Ready?
So let me ask you this.
Yes,
what do you
ask me
think
while I'm doing
is
this.
the perks of a liquid versus a dry powder?
Some of your powder illuminators, those can get very shimmery, I feel like. So if you want more of a dewy, a wet, a glowy look, then your liquid is the way to go. So I have a little bit on my fingers. So what I do with it is, I just go in and then I dab. I didn't plan on it. Alright, so I just put it on the tips of my fingers like this, and then I'll go in and then I'll pat it in, and so I'll hit my cheekbone, the top of it, I'll go right in. Can you see that?
And this is the, what is this?
This is MAC.
the MAC Strib Cream.
Just go in, do a little bit on this side. Okay, so where I put mine, I'll hit tops of the cheekbone here. And then I'll go, and I'll actually put some, I don't go center of my forehead. That's not good. It'll catch light too easy. So like in pictures and all that kind of stuff, and you look super shiny. So instead, I'll hit up here above my eyebrow and blend. It's all about the blending. Then I'll go in, and then I'll go, oh, look at this. Normally I can't do this by myself. When I'm getting ready, I ask them.
Make sure you have two assistants when applying liquid illuminator.
But I do go in and I will do the
Do you need
center
some more?
of my nose. I think I'm good.
Okay.
I think I'm good. But thank you so much. Y'all are just the best. So
We're
then
such good
I'll go
We're
in.
moms. You can do it.
Do you need us to give you some more?
Yeah, do you want some more? So
Say please.
then I'll go center of my nose. And then I'll go tip of my nose here. So center, tip, and then tops of your cheeks, and just blend it, pat it, and then up here too. So yeah, it just gives you a nice little glow, and it's not super shimmery like some of your powder ones are. Extra bonus tip for you. I will need some more for this lens.
Okay.
So if you're wearing a little off the shoulder top, oh my gosh, look, I have one on. Wow.
Mind blown.
So I'll find my collarbones first. Because normally they're not there. So I'll find my collarbones first. There they are. And then I'll put it a little bit here.
So why on your bones and not all over your chest?
So it catches your bones.
Yeah,
and
like
looks,
it just
accents.
like catches
You're like,
your
oh my
bone structure.
Y'all couldn't see my face. I had good collarbones, but I had 5 chins. Y'all gonna have to watch it back and see my thing. Okay, so I go collarbones, and then I'll hit the tips right here. Like, make it look
I see your full boob right now.
So you go tips of your shoulders,
Shoulders,
and then collarbone, and then walk around like this.
But make sure to
And
keep
you're
your
fine.
chin forward when you pop the collarbone.
Yeah. No, but I just feel like it gives you a nice, pretty, like, glow shimmer. It accents your, like, pretty bones that you don't have. that I don't have all of the time. So yeah, that's just my little quick tip. Sometimes if you don't want to do
Give me like a turn.
Whoa.
Like it?
Your bones just pop.
Thanks. But it's a nice, everyone wants that nice, pretty tan, glowy skin, and this is how you get it. So you can take it from your face, you can put it on your body. I don't recommend it anywhere else. So that's my quick summer tip for you.
Stay tuned for mine and Lindsay's quick tips.
Coming at you. Thanks for watching.